In this video, let's see how to install Ford Explorer wheel spacers. Loosen the lug nut on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence, using a cross spanner, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stands to support each end of the car. Remove lug nut on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Ford wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stand. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque wrench. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth. Ensure the rims and turn a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving. A key advantage of BONOSS Ford Explorer wheel spacer is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Take a look at these Ford Explorer wheel spacers now. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.